Alright. Give this a try. That's real shallow right there, son. Oh, that ain't so bad, but from like here, that way is like super shallow. I got something on there. It's a little sucker. Yeah, it's a little baby. He's overzealous though. Look at him. He's trying to take on something same size as him. Just to give you a reference, he's about 2 inches, maybe 2 inches bigger than that jerkbait. He's food for Grandpa. Oh, I just broke off my jerkbait. How did that happen? That'll teach me not to check my... I think my knot broke. It did, my knot broke. That's sad. Oh, there it is. Come here, my dear friend. I think I might be able to reach it. Come here. Oh, how often does that happen?
No.
That is... I can't remember what 6 cents charges for the jerkbaits. I got it in the that Super 6 sack. Well, I'm definitely going to double it up from here on out. I can't do that broke. I have to tie more often. Much. Yeah. Got another one. Another little guy. He got it in the dome this time.
He's bigger than the last one.
He got it everywhere. All right, now you're a little bit easier to manage. There we go. Maybe we should tie you on a jerkbait for tomorrow. What do you mean?
Watch the video. I came over here after you caught that first fish.
Yeah, he's probably getting out of here with the storm coming in. You don't want to be out on the water when a storm hits. Feels fine. My problem with a jerkbait is I don't know how to keep it slow enough. I don't really have the patience to let it sit. I'll give it a jerk and you have to sit and wait. I like a faster retrieve.
Call that one the overhead caster.
Oh, there's something there. What is that?
Make out part of an old bucket.
Like I said, it never ceases to amaze me, the things I catch out here.
Just catch you today, huh, Dad? That bucket? Is it plastic or tin?
It's tin. We're gonna throw that away. Got another one. Oh, he got away. I should have played him more. Oh, shoot. How about went over backwards? Oh, the old provoke. I like that name. You said you seen lightning? Cast over here then. Wow, that's a good douche. Out of here. I see why you're facing that way. You don't want the rain in your face, huh? I thought it was, I was like, I didn't know what it was. It just felt like dead weight. It wasn't no fight to it. So I was like, I don't think that's a fish. All right, yeah, we need to call it quits, son. I don't want you getting sick. And then tell me you can't go fishing tomorrow. That was kind of fun.
Yeah.